Hello everyone, my name is Samin Lee and I'm here to present Flatiron Mod 4 project called Carton. My partner Kevin and I worked a week and a half to finish this project. We used React for frontend, Rails for backend, and Wegman API for groceries. I was inspired to do this project while delivering groceries with Instacart. I have noticed that a lot of college students didn't use Instacart because the tip and delivery fee can be a burden to them. I will link the codes to this project in the description below, as well as my portfolio and LinkedIn account. Please send me a message for any feedbacks. Thank you. And with that, we will start exploring this app. I would like to start to mention that I have already signed in to two users, one in incognito and one in a regular browser. We will show these two users. And so in the front, the homepage, we have the fridge, the recipes, and the shop. In the fridge, it should have the items that are currently in our fridge. But right now, we don't have anything in our fridge, so it's empty. And the recipes, these are the available recipes in the website. And later on, I'll show you how we use the recipes. And the shop, we have the items that are from Wegman API. Uh, First, let's go to our cart. And if we click on this items, it goes to my cart where we can delete an item or add item to the fridge. And on our left side, we have this nav sidebar with categories. We could search them by category. We could add them, or we could search for an item. Search, click this. But if we don't want them, we could always delete them or put them in our fridge. So we do have these items, bread and two meat. We could delete an item by just clicking, or we could add them manually. So we have onion in our fridge, produce, submit, and let's put in some cheese. Okay, and so in our recipe, we have this seeded recipe data. If you click on one of them, it shows you the missing ingredients for this recipe, and it's from the fridge item. It shows whatever we're missing from the fridge item. So let's add some items to our fridge. Let's say we have garlic in our fridge. So let's add some items. Let's add garlic. Produce one, submit. And in our recipe, if we click on this food again, we should see that the garlic is gone. We could try one more with kimchi. Our fridge, let's go ahead and add kimchi as a produce. Let's go back to the recipe and click on the same item. And we should see that the kimchi and the garlic is gone. So all we need is these more items. And one of our stretch goals was to, if we click on this item, we could either buy or put in our fridge. And so now we could see the friend list. This was another our stretch goal. Let's go ahead and add some a user. Let's go Kev XD. That's Kevin's username. We could add this user and let's go to my account and we should see that it is followed by Salmon. Okay, so this is actually Kevin's. So Kevin is followed by Salmon, and Salmon is following Kevin. So let's say Kevin wants to follow this user, and so let's add this user, and let's go back to here, and if we refresh it, we should see that Kevin is following Salmon. So with this, the purpose of this was to add the friend to the cart so that the friend and the user can shop together in one cart. We didn't get up to that far. That was our stretch goal, and we also wanted to implement a WebSocket so that it's instant. So that if one user adds or deletes an item to the cart, another user shouldn't have to refresh the page to see the update. And also, it doesn't make sense if these two users are really far apart and sharing one cart. So we wanted to use a Google Map API to narrow down the distance between the two users or three users to a certain radius. So only if the users within the radius could join. But that's for the future. There's a lot of features that I could work on. That's why we thought that this project is really cool. But that's it for today. And I will come back with this solo project that I have to work on starting next Monday. As always, please comment below or send me a message through LinkedIn or anything, email for any feedbacks. Thank you.